If you're experiencing issues with the Cyberpunk 2077 update getting stuck at 2025, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the update. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can clear the cache by verifying the game files through your game launcher. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming system PC, PlayStation, or Xbox is fully updated. Sometimes system updates are required for game updates to install correctly. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Cyberpunk 2077. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to fail. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy playing Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.